Okay, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay, can you introduce yourself?
Yes, sir. I'm Giselin Rizal, 35 years old. I have 3 children, ages 12, 9, and 4.
Okay.
Yes, sir. And I'm willing to go to work as a domestic helper and able to support my family as well as my children's education.
Okay, any experience as a housemaid in Philippines?
Yes, sir.
How many members in the house?
7.
Okay, who are they?
My mom and sir, and 3 elderly and 2 children.
3 elderly. How old?
79, 89, and 92.
All healthy. Can walk?
The 92 is not able to walk.
Okay, the 2 children. How old?
15 and 5 years old.
Okay, how many years you work for this employer?
4 years, almost 4 years, sir.
Okay. You need to send the child go to school?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if on the way the child is naughty and run around in the street, how can you handle?
I hold her hands and tell to her that she didn't run so that the accident will may occur in him.
Okay. What time you wake up in the morning?
5 o'clock, sir.
Oh, so early for what?
For the children to go to school.
Okay, when you did something wrong in the house, the employer angry with you, what you will do?
I tell my employer and apologize and say sorry to them.
Yes, right. This is the first time you apply abroad.
Yes, sir.
How can you solve and overcome your homesick?
I keep myself busy, sir, and I bear in mind that my children here need support.
Yes, right. Okay, you know marketing?
Yes, sir.
If the employer gives you money to buy some food, how can you manage the money?
I usually buy food once a week, sir.
Once a week.
Yes, sir.
Okay, how do you know the fish is fresh?
When the when the ice is clear, the scales are intact and the gills are red.
You can cook very well?
Yes, sir.
How do you know you are a good cook? Who told you like that?
My employer, sir, they appreciate my cook.
Okay, in case you are cooking in the kitchen, suddenly your mom wants you to go outside to buy something, what you will do?
First, I will turn off the stove, set aside the ingredients I'm cooking, and I will go to my mom.
How can you maintain the good relationships with your employer?
Pardon, sir?
How can you maintain the good relationship with your employer?
I do my responsibilities, and when something wrong with me and my employer, I ask them why, and I ask them why, and if I do wrong, I say sorry.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, any message to your future employer?
To my future employer, if you've given me a chance to work in you, sir, madam, I will do my responsibilities as a housemaid, and I will be honest and hardworking, and I promise to serve you and your family. Thank you and see you soon.
Okay, thank you.